Welcome to my closet. Today we are doing a closet clear out and organization video. I know it's about time to start getting rid of stuff when I start running out of hangers. And we have been at that point for a while now. It's really an overdue task for me. And I'm excited. I actually love organizing things a lot. And I think I want to just completely take everything out of my closet, Marie Kondo style, which I've never actually done before. But I want to completely reset how I have this sorted. So it just seems easier to take everything out and then put it all back in again, you know? I'm also drinking a grape Zevia, and I really like this stuff. Before I take everything out, I think I'm actually going to go through and get rid of the things I know that I don't want first, just so I don't have to sort through it all in the bed. I already kind of have an idea of what I'm not going to keep and why, so I'll share all that with you in a moment. I know I want to get rid of these two pairs of jeans because I just don't wear them. This is a bright red pair of jeans that I like, and I like the color, but honestly, I never wear them because they're not high-waisted, and I find things that are not high-waisted to be just incredibly uncomfortable and not worth wearing. So it's time to just get rid of these no matter how cute they are. Now this pair is high-waisted, however, I really only wear this pair when it's super cold out and I need to layer, and I have two of them. I don't think I need to keep two of them when I don't actually wear them day to day. It just seems like a waste of space, honestly. Someone else could get a lot more use out of those. Okay, this breaks my heart. These are so cute. They're little shorts from Loft. They're a size 0, but Loft sizes run pretty big, and these are still too large for me. I love the whole concept and pattern, but I don't wear them because they don't fit, and also they're not high-waisted either. I have kept them all this time because they've been cute and because they were a birthday present for my mom a few years ago, but I'm not wearing them, so they deserve to go to a new home. Okay, this I'm not getting rid of, but I don't wear this. It's a really nostalgic piece for me though, from like my early teen like dance competition years. So I'm going to keep this, but I'm going to put it in my memory box where I have just a few pieces of clothing that like mean something to me in my heart, and I'm gonna put it up there. I also don't think I'm getting rid of this, but I want to wear it as a nightgown instead to bed. It is really soft and comfortable and cute. I used to wear these little swing type dresses a lot when I was like 15, 16, but I just am not really into this vibe anymore, but I would still really like to wear it as a nightgown because I actually love wearing nightgowns to bed. I don't like wearing pants. And I only have a couple because when you Google nightgown or try to find one to wear, it's all like these granny, old, awful ones. So that I think would be more acceptable for me. This is another sad one. This was a Christmas gift from my parents, I think a couple years ago, and I really like it. But to be honest, I just don't wear it because it's not my size. So this is a medium, and I'm really like a small, sometimes an extra small, and the waist is just really, really baggy on me, and I don't think it's flattering. This is from American Eagle, so it's super soft and super comfortable. I do love the little skater dress polka dot style. It's a super classic dress, but I'm just not wearing it. So it's gotta go. It's gotta go to a new home. This I'm not getting rid of either. It's a bomber jacket. It just should be in the coat closet downstairs, not in my closet. Okay, I have a couple things that my aunt gave me that were hers. I don't know, like I don't wear these and I never will because they're so like 80s and not in a good way. Like they have shoulder pads, bad shoulder pads, and I don't need them in my closet, but I've kept them there out of guilt. Like I feel all of this obligation towards things that were gifted to me, which I shouldn't. You should only keep things that make you happy and you feel confident in, which can be difficult, especially if the things you're getting rid of have some memories attached to them or if they were a gift. But just do it. Most people wouldn't be mad at you for getting rid of something they gave you like years ago. Like my mom has basically given me permission always to get rid of anything, you know, after it's been a couple years and I'm just not wearing it or it doesn't fit me. She's like, just get rid of it. She gets it. So they need to go. They need to go. These I didn't even know were back there. I think these were both from my mom. And this is just like a black cardigan that isn't really my vibe. I like cardigans, but not like this kind. So I think that's gonna go, considering I've never worn it. But this, I don't know. Do I kind of like this? It's kind of cute. It's like a little cardigan hoodie. That's a difficult decision. I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it for now, but if I don't wear it, it's gonna go next time. This is the one and only skirt I'm getting rid of, and I feel so sad because I love this skirt. It is like 5 years old, but it is so nice. The jean is just a really great quality, and it's a classic, you know, button-down jean skirt. This will never go out of style. I did wear it to death for years. It was like my favorite skirt, but I haven't worn it for the past couple of years because it's too big for me. Again, this is a medium. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this because I'm not a medium, and I don't think I ever really have been, but I went through a phase of buying things in a medium because I think I just wasn't confident about like my body and my size yet. So this makes me really sad, but I haven't worn it, and I did wear it like one time this summer and I didn't feel good about it because it's just way too big on my waist. Way too big. Oh, this breaks my heart. Okay, bye-bye. That's pretty much it for the hanging stuff. But I have this whole stash of t-shirts in this little like white organizer that I just can't keep all of these. They're mostly like t-shirts from my university that I got for free, and I don't wear them. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of all of them, but most of them need to go because they're not being worn. Alright. I am gonna keep this really big UVA Virginia t-shirt as like an exercise shirt because it's kind of like big and baggy, and I think that's great. I am keeping my like last day of class t-shirt from my freshman year, and I'm not gonna keep this random school t-shirt. I don't wear them. Oh, I kind of want to keep this. This is hard. This was another free one I got, and it has like the map of campus on the back, which is so cute. Oh, but the thing is, I never wear it, and it's a small, but it's one of those like big t-shirts. Would I rather keep this or the LDOC one? I think I'd rather keep the last day of class one, so I don't need that. Oh, and these are actually a couple of work shirts, so I guess I'll have to keep those, you know, for work. I'm not working right now, but when I go back, I think that I will. Now I have this t-shirt here that I think I might have worn once, and it's not because I don't like it. It's a cute book reader nutrition facts t-shirt. It's actually like super cute, and I like it in concept, but the thing is, This is gonna sound bad. I got this from my freshman roommate, and you know, it's not like we're best friends or anything, and sometimes if people give me gifts and I don't, you know, I'm not like super close with them, I don't end up wearing or using the gifts that they get me, which sounds really bad and I don't know why, but I should wear this. It's so cute. You know what, I'm gonna keep it, but I'm gonna make sure it gets put in my t-shirt drawer, and I'm going to wear it because this is ridiculous. I have my fancy formal dresses here, which I'm not getting rid of any of these. This was my homecoming dress for sophomore and junior year. This is my one like party dress. And then here we have my prom dresses. Junior prom and senior prom, which I've reworn both of these. Then I have a couple other formal dresses from like piano recitals and things in the past. My graduation gown, which I should probably just donate back to my high school because I'm never gonna rewear this again, ever. And someone else probably could. Alright. This is the damage. Oh my god. Look at all the clothes. And this isn't even the stuff for my dresser. And eucalyptus. Yes, I do have a giant Sherlock poster in the back of my closet. Here's what I think I want to do. I want to sort of flip the organization I had before, where I had like my long dresses and like formal dresses on this side, and I think I want them to be over here because this side of my closet goes in slightly deeper, so when these are centered, there's more room below for the dresses to hang, because I had issues over here with the dresses getting onto here and it just didn't work. So we'll see how that goes. I do like to organize by type and by color. So I set up all the types, like dresses to, you know, let's say we do dresses to skirts to whatever. I like to organize them by color within the categories. It makes more sense than just one giant rainbow to me. So let's just start with dresses, see how it goes. Okay, so far here we have the dresses going from white to pink, orange, you know, all the way through the rainbow down to my midi dresses, which are back here in the same order, and then my like special event dresses, which I don't really mind being that far back because I don't access them that often. So, whew, dresses are done. clothes except for the ones that I have hanging on a drying rack to dry right now, which I'm obviously keeping because I wear those a lot. Everything's hung up and I'm really, really happy with it. So basically I have it going from like formal, long and short dresses to my midi dresses, normal dresses, my one romper, and like short overalls, to tops, long sleeve tops, tank tops, skirts, shorts, jeans, and then like hoodie, Sherpa, like pullover kind of things. I also decided I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This is my 13 or 14, you know what, I was 14-year-old self's piano recital dress, and then I wore it to homecoming freshman year. And like, I've kept it because it kind of had special meaning to me, but like honestly not really. And I think it's pretty. I never would have chosen this today. I mean, it's like bright neon coral. But it's, you know, it's cute. I'm never ever gonna wear it again. No, like my other formal dresses I have reworn and would like to rewear again in the future, but I am never ever wearing this again. Plus, when I wore this, I had an A cup, and listen, this does not fit the boobs anymore. Okay, it's been 6 years. I got boobs in between that time, so I think this is gonna go. And that is pretty much it. Okay, I lied. I went and looked through my sweaters and found one to get rid of. I think this is a beautiful color, and it's a chenille fabric. When this was popular like a couple years ago, I got it at TJ Maxx. It's by, I don't know, it's Romeo and Juliet Couture. Anyway, it is super soft and I like the color, but these like chenille threads have always just like been popping out of the sweater, and it really bugs me when I wear it. So I'm gonna get rid of that one, donate everything, and that pretty much clears up a nice amount of room in my closet. This is the final result. I doubt it looks that different. It was pretty organized before, but I did just flip a lot of things and get rid of stuff. I didn't get rid of any shoes because I have a pretty small shoe collection anyway, and I do wear all of them. I did keep my little like hanger stuff down here. Everything fits really well, and I am very pleased with how it looks. Alright, I'm gonna call it a night. This is the final result. I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, my goal was to sort of rearrange more than get rid of a ton of stuff. I don't believe in getting rid of things that you like just for the sake of decluttering. I have a lot of clothes because I love clothes, but I don't feel like I have an excessive amount. I mean, I've seen way worse. I don't know about you. So that's where we're gonna leave it. I am going to go have some dinner and pat my cat, and then probably do homework. So much homework all the time, constantly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a really great night. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!